It is summertime in southeast Georgia. The flowers and plants are in bloom. The grass and the trees are green, but not these leaves. No, these leaves are brittle, brown, dry, dead. For whatever reason, storms, squirrels, snakes, they've disconnected from the tree. Consequently, they are dead, left to be raked up where they will rot. In John 15, Jesus says that He is the vine and we are the branches. He is the life-giving tree and we are like the leaves. We must stay connected to receive His life-giving blessings. We cannot let the storms, squirrels, and snakes of life separate us from His love. He doesn't want us to be dead leaves rotting in the dirt. If you're connected, be vigilant to stay connected and help others connect. If you're not connected, you have a gift that these leaves do not. It's never too late to reconnect to the life-giving tree that is Jesus.